It's now let us do the exercise of chapter 12 prepositions है ना. And then this is practice time and this is on page number 63. Look at the picture and complete the sentences using in, on, under. It means you have to fill these three prepositions in, on, under. In means में, ऑन मीन्स किसी चीज़ के ऑन ऊपर, अंडर मीन्स नीचे. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट with the help of picture. We have to supply the preposition here. The boy is sitting dash a chair. See the boy, what the boy is doing? He is sitting on the chair ना, chair पे बैठा है. So the boy is sitting on a chair. See. Now second, he is holding a glass dash his hand. He is holding, what he is holding in his hand? Glass ना. तो what we will say, glass in his hand. उसने जो अपने हाथ में पकड़ा हुआ है ना glass को. So he is holding a glass in his hand. Third one is there. His legs are dash the table. See the legs of the boy. The legs are under the table. See the table. Table के नीचे है ना उसके legs. So his legs are under the table, my dear kids. I hope you understood this. Now turn to page number 65. Okay. Now let us start the revision second. Revision 2. A question is there. Look at the pictures and take the correct doing words. Okay, what they are doing now, that you have to tell. Okay, first is birds. Two options are here, swim or fly. What birds are doing? Birds are flying. So birds fly. On the fly, you will tick the correct option. Second is there, bell. Two options are here, dear kids. Once again, sings, rings. The bells rings. So you will put a tick mark on the rings. Third is there, fish walks or swims. Fish swims in water. So fish swims. See, question B is there, fill in the blanks with this, that, these, those. Now this you have to fill this, that, these, those. First you have to see the position of the given things or the objects. First, dash is a bat. See the bat, it is near na, so and it is singular. So this is a bat. Second is there, dash are balls. See the balls. Okay, these are far. So what you will use here? Those. Those are balls. See, those are balls. Third is there, dash are crayons. These crayons are near and they are more than one. So these are crayons. See, these are crayons. Fourth is there, dash is a fox. See the fox, it is far and it is one. So what we will use here? Dat. Dat is a fox. See the fox. Now let us do the C part. Tick the correct option. You have to put a tick mark on the correct option. Here two options are there. Okay. So let us read the sentences, then we will able to know which is the correct option. First one is there, I. Two options are there, am or is a student. We always use I with am. So am is the correct answer. I am a student. Second is there, we. Two options are there, is or are. We is or are in the market. We is plural. With plural we always use are. So we are in the market. So are is the correct option. So you will put a tick mark on are. Third is there, she. Two options are here, is or am. She is or am a pretty girl. Now she is a single Pronoun. So with single pronoun we always use is. She is a pretty girl. She is a pretty girl. Look at the picture. I dash I. Two options are here. Has, have or has a bat. I have. I have a bat. So have is the correct option. So we will put a tick mark on have. Fifth is there. He. Two options are here. Have or has a pencil. He has. Singular pronoun we use has. He has a pencil. Okay dear kids, now turn to next page, that is page number 66. D question is there. Look at the picture and complete the sentences using in, on, under. Here you have to use preposition in, on, under. First you have to see the picture. You have to observe the picture very carefully. After that you have to fill the prepositions here. First, the watch is dash the table. See the position of the watch. Watch is on the table. Table के ऊपर है. The watch is on the table. Second is there. The shoes are dash the table. See the position of shoes. Shoes are under the table. Table के नीचे हैं. The shoes are under the table. Third, the spoon is dash the glass. See the location of the spoon. Spoon is glass के अंदर है. So the spoon is in the glass. Okay dear kids. Now let us do question E. Look at the picture and write down a describing word for each naming word. See here, this is the picture given to you. You have to supply the describing word or the adjectives here. First one, dash teddy. See the teddy, we can say red teddy. Okay, ये teddy को describe कर रहा है कि teddy is red in color. Second is dash flower. See the flower, colorful flower you can write. Okay. Third one is dress. You can see the dress. Let us take the dress of the girl. You can write about the dress of a girl or boy. It's your wish. I have written about the describe the dress of a girl. Yellow dress. Okay, yellow dress she is wearing. Fourth, dash car. See the car. He is holding a car in his hand now. So it is red in color. So we can say red car. Fifth one is there, dash dolls. See dolls. है ना? You can say pretty dolls. Sixth one is there, girl. You can say lovely girl. So these you have to fill in your book, and after that you have to learn them. This is your homework.